Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and today is the 1st of March 2024. Happy new month to everyone. Today we are going to be trading the Volatility 25 index, and we're going to be trading the rise and fall here. So once you log into your trading account, you go to the Volatility 25 index, then you choose the trade type, rise and fall. Then you go to the chart type here, you choose the candle, then you set the time interval to 1 minute. You're going to go to seconds here, you're going to set the seconds here to 28 seconds. Right now the candle is down here, you can see the last candle here is down here, so I quickly click on the rise option there. So what we're going to be doing is this: we're going to be selling when we're in profit. We don't have to wait because we have 28 seconds. So you can see right there the sell option has gone up, but we are going to wait for the trade to close. Right there we are already in profit. There we have just 1 second. Okay, you can see we won that trade here, but once you see the sell option and once you see that you're in profit, you can quickly sell as well. So we made $33 there. So you can see the candle is pushing right up again. We're going to click on fall. You can see the gap there is pushing right up, so we click on fall there. So we have some seconds left. So once we see the green, we still have like 15. Okay, resell is not offered, but we're going to end up in profit right there. Okay, so you can see we made almost $66 right there. So let me explain this strategy to you again. You set your seconds to 28. When it's dropping down, you are going to click on rise, and the distance between the candle has to be very long. You can see the distance is short right there. It has to be very long. So when it's dropping down, you are going to click on rise. So I'm going to click on rise there because the distance is long, so I have to wait again. That's going to be our last trade, so I can quickly sell there. So I made 14.32, and you can also wait as well for the trade to close. You can see in just about few minutes we made almost 80 bucks, almost $80 right there. So the candle is still down. You can see it's pushing right up again. If the candle is going up and it's green, you are going to click on fall. But if it's going down and the candle is long, the gap is long, you are going to click on rise. So that's it guys, for that strategy. And for those who haven't purchased both, the TOUCHSCALPER bot has been updated just some days ago, and we've sent the update to all those who have purchased the bot. Is now more effective. The bot is just $9.99 USD. To order the bot, visit www.touchscalper.cty technologies.com.ng. We've also updated the PIPSREAPER bot as well. It's now effective. We've updated it, so the latest version has been sent to all those who have previously purchased the bot. If you haven't purchased the bot, visit binarypipsreaper.cty technologies.com.ng. You can see all the payment options. There's Perfect Money, PayPal, Web Money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, bank transfer, card payment, and other payment options on the other pages. Both also comes with a free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices. We also gave out some free books as well, and you get the Forex ebook guide and free Forex bots. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links. There's a link to order the PIPSREAPER bot. Check the video description on YouTube. We're going to paste all these information right there. There's a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bots. Here are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. And the links to download the ebooks are also here as well. Check all this information on the video description on YouTube. Here is the link to join our forum website to read the tutorials. You can see we can place one more trade there. You can see it's pushing. Let me check the direction again. It's green, so the last candle has become okay. If it's pushing up and the distance is wide, you are going to click on fall. But if it's going down and the gap is wide, you are going to click on rise. Don't forget. So let's just wait a little. Let's place one more trade right there. So we have to wait for the gap to be wide. You can see I didn't place any trade there because the gap is still short. Okay, it's down, it's going down. Okay, I'm going to click on rise there because it went down. My mouse will be here in case I hit the green. Let me wait for more profit, or when profit then. Okay, there's 10. So you can see I quickly close the trade when I spot the green, and so we made another 10 bucks right there. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.